Alright guys, this is going to be a short video. It's not about the knife making or anything like that. It's all about this new toy that me and Ebony got. Here we go.
We worked very hard to get that though.
Yes, we did.
It'll make our improvement way faster. Meaning, hopefully more videos. It's a chef's knife. I gotta make 3 of them.
Oh, my bad, guys. Move this stuff behind you, Ebony. Come on. Move this stuff. Put it back this way.
This?
Yeah. Make sure the camera's set right. I will say this thing does make this metal hot quick. So right now I'm running at full capacity.
How do you want the puzzle done?
What?
How do you want the puzzle?
I don't know yet. too.
What can I do?
There we go, guys. Profile done. Tanya, this machine is nice. I mean, there's a few rough edges we got to do, but I will say this thing is really fast and it's really nice.
I need to bring out like a little medicine container.
No, this needs to be filled up.
I know.
Alright, well,
They can't see it.
we've only had this probably for what, a week now?
For like 3 days.
Oh, 3 days, okay? So far, it's done everything. It comes with all sorts of attachments.
Hang on.
As soon as she gets the camera set up, I will show you the attachments. Okay, you got this attachment that has the 2 wheels here, and it slides into this little gear over here that gets held on here. Well, you also get this little thing here, and that goes on, you know, if this wasn't here, it'd go on here. Sandpaper comes through here. It helps where you can round off areas like this, and in here. Then on this little gadget, you get even a smaller one. That helps out a lot. I've already used this one and this one. Like them both. Then you get this big boy. You know, we used this once. Okay, and then they send you like 120 grid paper. This here is a 60 grid. And then they send you 220, I think. Well, I went and bought, because it asks you, you know, when you order these. I think it was through Amazon. Yeah, it was through Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
I ordered a 2x72 inch belts, 60, 80, 120 grid, 22 grid, 220 grid, 320 grid, all the way up to 400. And it wasn't too expensive. It was bad. This was the most expensive.
Obviously.
So it's going to take a big chunk of change out of your pocket. But if you're into making knives, this will definitely help you out.
More out of your bank savings account.
Right? You know, and then, you know, we got a few new things here. We got our bandsaw now that helps us with the making the handles and stuff. We went and bought us a new
Vice.
vise.
Here, let me show you. We
got this at Harbor Freights. We ended up having to replace the DeWalt. That one there, the cord caught fire, so we had to get a cheapie. You know, you know, we've gotten quite a bit of stuff for knife making.
We're not done.
Yeah, we're not done. Is because now,
For
because we
Christmas,
were into
to all my
metal
family-
melting,
my parents watch me or my family members. I
And-
need new DeWalt angle grinders for Christmas.
Right. So now we got a bunch of people asking us to make them knives. We just got done making a deer antler one. I don't have it out here, but
And-
here's the antler that I used. So I'm going to cut a piece off this, use this piece for another handle for probably a cookery.
And you'll get to see all the videos that we do to be able to all the videos of our knives that we're gonna put onto a flyer to get our business out there. Well, to start our business, truly.
Yeah, something that turned into a hobby turned into a job real quick.
All in an 8x10 shed.
Right? I love my little workshop. I even got a heater in here for the winter.
And your sign.
Oh yeah, and my Pop's workshop.
No, it's Papa's.
Whatever.
It says Toys Fixed for free. As you got a little toilet above it, above your belt sander.
The toilet. Oh, yeah, Dom's little toilet I had to fix.
That you never gave back.
Mm-mm.
Because it wasn't fully solid.
Well, we just wanted to do a short video so everybody could see the new toy.
It's not a toy, that's a big
And
boy tool.
I'm hoping people will, you know, really seriously think about them because they'll, really, the little box up there that you see up on the wall, that right there, there's a fan up above. I already see one little problem with this machine. You're going to have to keep that vacuumed off and cleaned off because a lot of stuff is going to get down inside this machine. So we're going to, today after we're done with this little video, Ebony's going to go vacuum it out, make sure it's cleaned out real good, so we don't have to worry about it burning up. And just for kicks and giggles, me and Ebony made this sample knife that we just decided to throw together and kind of sand it out. You know,
Now I want to cut the
just something to play with.
handguard off.
I mean, it's not sharp, but it was just fun to do, me and her. Sitting out here being bored and decided to make one. Well, it was this little setup like these that got us started in knives, and now people want all sorts of them.
Now people want flyers,
Now they want flyers, they want to know,
pictures, what we can do,
right?
if we can put our names on them.
So, but you know, it is what it is. So, but we're going to let you go now. I just wanted to show you the new machine.
Don't be afraid to subscribe, like, and comment, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.